In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Woocommerce and Square inventory. Whether you're managing a small store or running a large business, syncing your inventory can be crucial for maintaining accurate stock levels and ensuring your customers get the right products. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to head over to WordPress.com, the hub for building and managing your website. Open your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com. You'll land on the WordPress homepage, which offers everything you need to build your website. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in. For those just getting started, setting up an account is straightforward and guided by on-screen prompts. Now, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the WordPress homepage. This will redirect you to the login page. Enter your credentials to gain access to your WordPress dashboard, which is where we will make all the necessary changes. Once you are in the dashboard, look over on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find the Plugins section. Click on it to view all the installed plugins on your website. Plugins are a fantastic way to extend the functionality of your WordPress site without needing any coding knowledge. Our next step is to add a plugin, so click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar on the top right, type in WooCommerce Square. This plugin is essential for connecting your WooCommerce store to Square, allowing for seamless synchronization between the two systems. After typing in the name, several plugins should appear. Locate WooCommerce Square from this list. It's imperative to ensure you're selecting the correct plugin because there's a variety of options available. Once you've found WooCommerce Square, click on it to view more details. Confirm it's the right choice for you, and then click the Install button. This step will download the plugin to your WordPress site. After installation, you'll see an option to activate it. Click Activate to enable the plugin, which will now start functioning within your WordPress dashboard. With this plugin active, you should now start syncing your WooCommerce and Square inventories. This synchronization can significantly help reduce errors and save time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. And there you have it. In just a few steps, your WooCommerce and Square inventories are now synced, ensuring seamless operations between your sales channels. As you continue to manage your business, remember that keeping your technology updated is vital for maintaining efficiency and providing a great customer experience. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate the digital world with ease.